you struggling to keep people watching your videos? I get it. Back in 2015, my views were terrible when I first started. I made videos that people clicked on, but the secret is to get them engaged and to stay watching until the end. And when people click off super fast, your retention rate goes down and it's super frustrating. But once I learned how to keep viewers engaged, my retention time and view time went up. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can do the same. And if we haven't met before, I'm Casey. I'm a video editing teacher in person and online, helping new creators go from where they are now to where they want to be in a shorter amount of time. I used to spend hours editing videos, but to then watch my analytics and see that people were falling off. And I was thinking, what in the world is going on? Why is my retention rate so bad? It felt discouraging, but here's what I wish I had known back then. To keep people watching, it isn't just about the good content, but it's about how you present it. And here are some actionable steps that you can apply to your next video. First, hook viewers immediately. Skip the whole, "Hi guys, welcome back," that kind of thing. Skip that and get straight to the point, straight to the value of what the video is about. And number two, tell a story. Even if it's a tutorial, structure it like a journey. Make people curious about what's coming next. Number three, use patterns and pacing. Add cuts, B-roll, smooth transitions, and text to keep the energy up and overall engaging. If you're just a floating talking head and you're talking on and on for 10 minutes, people will click off quick and bounce. And number four, keep it moving. Cut out unnecessary pauses or filler words. My most popular filler words are and so. You might love that extra explanation, but if it's dragging on and on, cut it. And number five, use audio and music. Good sound keeps people engaged longer than you think. Try some mood-changing background music and add sound effects as needed. Background music is really powerful to set the mood or the tone of your video. And then lastly, check your analytics after the fact, after you start getting more views, and watch how viewers have stayed or not stayed engaged, and you can learn from that. You can look at the audience retention graph, and this is in YouTube Studio, and you can see exactly where people are dropping off or if there are key moments that are keeping people engaged. And then ask yourself why, and then adjust those things in the next video. You just can constantly keep learning from your analytics, which is super fun after a while. If your watch time is super low right now, don't stress about it. We all start there. The key is to test, tweak, and improve over time. And your next video is always a chance to get better. And I want to help you get there faster. That's why I put together my free guide. It is my top tips for beginner editors to make video editing or creating content much easier. And you can grab it in the description box below. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing that you struggle with when you're editing videos? If you found these tips helpful, please click subscribe so you don't miss out on my next videos where I share all the free tips. And if you'd like to join me online, you can check out all the different classes that I offer, and you just go to caseyslate.com/class. And I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye!